Amazon customers are Amazon's customers. They do not give out the name and address of their customers. So for FBA, you don't get that information. You don't need it either, because Amazon sends the product out to them. So no, you cannot. However, and here's where it gets interesting. If you fulfill yourself, fulfill by merchant, you do get that information, and so there's an argument to be made for fulfilling by merchant, because you get their details, you can follow up, and you own the customer instead of Amazon owning the customer. However, here's where it gets tricky. Amazon rewards sellers for using FBA by giving you a boost in the search rankings. So it gives you higher search engine results page results. You get higher up in the results if you are FBA. And that is proven without a shadow of a doubt. Yeah, I've seen the algorithm, so I know for a fact that FBA listings are favored in the SERPs. So you get such a boost that it's crazy not to use FBA, all right? However, in America, Amazon's recently launched something called Seller Fulfilled Prime. Seller Fulfilled Prime. Now, that's not available to everybody. You've got to have a history of selling things and looking after your customers and yada, yada, yada. But that's what a lot of folks are doing now who get invited to be Seller Fulfilled Prime. They get a warehouse, they fulfill their own products, they still get to be using FBA, but they're fulfilling the product themselves, so they get all that data, they get the customer, and that is very, very cool. So, David, right now, I would suspect on your particular stage of the journey that FBA is the way for you to go for sure. Over time, and if they bring Seller Fulfilled Prime to Australia, which I've no doubt they ultimately will, then there's a good argument to be made for setting yourself up as Seller Fulfilled Prime instead. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much, much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.